Hello, bonjour, ganasia. Good day, good thing tak, konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, doredin. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world. Did you like that song? Did you like that song, baby Sissy? Baby Sissy? Baby Sissy? High five with mommy one time, baby. Did you remember yesterday what letter did mommy teach you, baby? It is letter R. Right? R. R. The sound of letter R is rabbit, rainbow, rain, rocket, rocket. Woo! Did you remember rocket? Woo! The next letter is boop. Boop. It is letter. Stephen, can you say it, baby? Letter S. Baby, can you say it, baby? Letter S. 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 The sound of letter S say S. 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 Okay? Oh, what is the picture sound of letter S? Hey, what is that? It is sun. Sun. Can you say it, baby? Sun. Sun. S for sun. S for sun. A for sun. Good job. S. Can you say it? S. A. S. S. S for sun. Okay, baby? One more is it is star. Baby, can you say it? S for star. Baby, can you say it? Star. Stephen, can you say it? Star. S for star. Can you say it? Star. Ooh, you know how to pronounce. Can you say the sound? Sun. Star. Okay? One more. It is the animal, baby. Teet, 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 teet. Teet, 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 teet. It is we call snail. The snail walk too slow. Snail. Stephen, can you say it, con? For snail. S for snail. The sound of letter S is snail. Snail. Okay? One more last. That is animal too, baby. That is spider. Stephen, can you say it? Spider. N for spider. N for spider. Stephen, can you say again, con? N for spider. S for spider. S for snail. S for star. S for sun. Baby, do you want to choose which one is sun, which one is star, baby? Do you want to choose it? Okay, baby, here. Here, mommy let you choose. This is sun. This is star. Baby, let's look. Here. Sun. Star. Sun, star, 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 sun, star. Which one is sun? The sun is so hot. Really good. It is correct. It is sun. The sun is so hot. The sun is shining. Did you see the sun is shining, baby? Yay! Star, sun, star, sun, star, sun. Which one is star? Star. Good job, baby Pung. You know which one is sun, which one is star. You want to read my sun? You want to read my sun, baby? Oh, this is my star. You already chose. That is correct. Star. Well done, baby. One more. This is snail. The snail walk. Coop, 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 coop. This is spider. This already know the spider. They wanna say. Snail. Spider, snail, spider, snail, spider, snail, spider, snail, spider, snail, spider. Which one is spider? Spider has many legs, baby. Spider has many legs. Oh, let me just you. Oh, you need glue tack. I already know. That's why you. Okay, mommy will take all the glue tack out. I let you choose again. Snail, snail, spider, snail, spider. Snail, spider, snail, spider, snail, spider, snail, spider. Which one is spider? Spider. Good job. Clap your hand, baby. Baby, clap your hand. Good job. That is spider. That is spider. One more. Which one is snail? The snail walks so slow. You know again, baby. Thank you. Good job. You did great job today, Satipong. Well done, Satipong. Amazing today. Good job. This is, can you read again? S for snail, baby. S for snail. S for spider. S for snail. S for spider, S for star, S for sun. Can you say the sun? Good job. High five. Give me high. Give me high five. Oh, you don't want to high five? You want to say goodbye? Okay, say goodbye. 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 Can you do like mommy? Bye-bye. 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 Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay, bye-bye. Hello, mommy and daddy. Welcome back to Smartboy channel again. Today, English class, we continue from yesterday. Yesterday, we already learned letter R. Today, we learn about letter S. Don't forget to watch. And for mommy and daddies new in my channel, subscribe and follow. Bye bye. Thank you so much.